and this is our places for cultivating agri place, and we are busy today in this area, and this is our field, cultivating field, agriculture field, and today we are busy for the cultivating side. And they are busy for agriculture area, agri plant, crops plant, and we are prepare the crops firstly for this course flying the agri field, and every season has passed by the flood. For the flood season, this is one agri field of Borhula agri field of village Uttarpakarkona, Jalukbari Constituency, and every year we are busy in this agri site for the agriculture, but in this past 3 years there are many floods. For this cause we have not prepared our crops, and again we have tried in this year also, the first time. So and hope that you please talk to our government if anybody found the news by this channel. We are educated boys in these villages. We have no income, no appointments, no service, and from we are busy from the childhood age time. We are busy, and Borhula agri field is one mostly wellness side field, but in this past season time, 3 years, there are many floods in this field, and very loud area, the Borhula agri field of village Uttarpakarkona, near Sesamukh, Dodora, near Dodora, Singimari, near Singimari, and near Singimari Panchayat. And I am KK Das. Today we are busy for grow the crops and prepare the agri field plant. So okay, nice to, and okay, thanks to all of you, and nice to meet you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. And this is agri field of village Uttarpakarkona of Jalukbari Constituency, and I am KK Das. And today we are busy in this agri-field area for the preparation of crops. And I am KK Das. And every season has passed by the flood. After 3 years, we have again prepared our agri-field. There are many floods covered in this agri-field in this past 3 years. Again in this year we have prepared agriculture field.